Hey everybody, Justin Sainer here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up post-purchase upselling with Shopify and ReConvert. Let's jump right into it. And this is all about the power of post-purchase upselling on Shopify. I'm going to show you how to do it the right way with the best app out there. And every single store needs to set up post-purchase upselling on Shopify. This is not an option. This is not a nice thing to have. This is something that every single profitable business will have. Every single big Shopify store is taking advantage of post-purchase upselling because it's an incredible opportunity to increase sales. It's an incredible opportunity to increase average order value. Basically, the bottom line is you're going to make more money every single time someone checks out in your store when you have post-purchase upselling set up. And a really popular strategy right now is to take full control of the post-purchase journey with smart upsells, cross-sells, bundles, thank you page offers with the ReConvert Shopify app. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you more. When you want to implement upselling on Shopify, you might run into some pain points. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. I'm going to show you the ReConvert app. Very, very easy to use. And it's super important to find an app that's very easy to use because you don't need to be a coder or a developer. You don't need to learn any programming in order to get this going. And most importantly, you want to find an app that's going to allow for one-click post-purchase upselling. This is the key here. One-click post-purchase upselling. Make it as easy as possible for the customer to check out and buy more. That's the name of the game. We want them to buy more. We want to make more money from them. And if you want to do that the right way, you're going to use the ReConvert app. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. This is the best post-purchase upselling app in the Shopify App Store. Let's go over the shoulder. I'll show you more. This is ReConvert, and it is the best Shopify upsell in the Shopify App Store. You're going to get bigger and better orders. I'm going to show you over the shoulder exactly how this works. You see the link directly below this video. This is going to be how you're going to add one-click upsells, totally frictionless upsells. They're going to boost your profits, make more sales, make more money. Tons and tons of stores are using this because you're going to be able to upgrade your thank you page. You're going to reach more conversion goals. You're going to make more money. That's the bottom line. So many stores are using this, so much revenue generated, a huge amount of 5-star reviews. I'll show you the app page in a second. And it's really all about getting ReConvert to make more sales for you, more conversions. It seamlessly integrates with all of your marketing. It's one of the best Shopify apps out there. Really easy to install. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you why there's over 40,000 merchants using ReConvert. We're going to go over the shoulder in my store. And I'm going to show you exactly how to deploy these checkout and post-purchase upsell funnels. You'll see everything in the easy-to-use app. All you need to do, press the install button over here. Mine says open because I've already installed. If you come to this link, again, link directly below the video, click the install button. It's going to get this app into your store. Free plan available, free trial available. And once you do, you'll be brought over into your ReConvert dashboard. And this is going to be your onboarding, and I want to call attention to their great support, 24/7 support, always available right inside of the app. Highly recommended in that regard. But you're going to see the power of ReConvert because we're going to set this up immediately. And you see that we have a couple of options of what we want to do. We could choose our max discount over here. I set it to 30. And now we're going to be able to turn on where we want to have ReConvert. We have post-purchase, so we're going to have add 2 one-click upsell pages after the payment and before the thank you page. This is how you start your funnel. We're going to definitely do something like that. You have your thank you page as well. We're going to be able to add widgets to our thank you page. We can even add upsell widgets to our order status page. Let's say for some reason you didn't want to customize one of these. You could just simply turn it off. We're going to go with all these here, and I'm going to be setting these up right in front of you. Very easy to do, and remember, you don't need any code. You don't need any type of previous expertise. You don't need to be a programmer. All we're going to do is come over here. A couple things that we need to do. First thing, we're going to add ReConvert into our thank you page. So we're going to come over here, and this is going to bring over our theme settings where we're going to now have different blocks that we're able to add. And you see we have different thank you page slots here. This is going to be pretty easy to kind of set this up. It's really how we want to choose. You see it says add app block, and we're going to choose ReConvert slot 1 over here. So we've added this over here. You see it's visible only to you. There are some other setups here, but we're going to have this kind of going on. This is the main thing that we need to do in terms of getting this. Don't forget to press the save button over here as well. This is also your theme editor. So it's actually just inside of the theme sections here. So really easy to do. We can check the status now. It sees that it's detected. That's because we've turned this on, right? Basically what we're doing is turning it on in different sections. Now we're going to turn it on to order status. Same thing here. Right, we're going to go ahead, choose ReConvert 1. Right, we're going to go over here, ReConvert 1. You see that it's added now, or we're going to save. Okay, we can check the status over here, and you see it's detected. We'll go to the next page. Same thing. This is our post-purchase. So this is in our settings over here. So we have post-purchase upselling now directly controlled inside of our Shopify checkout. So we're going to choose over here for our ReConvert as the option, of course, and we'll save. Okay, so we can go ahead and check status, and we'll see ReConvert is now set up. Now we're going to publish. So basically what we did here was configure our theme and our Shopify store with ReConvert. And it's now integrated into our store. We didn't do any coding. We didn't look at any code or copy and paste anything. We didn't hire a developer. ReConvert is now set up. And it's so easy to do this. You can watch this video now about the flow builder, but I'm going to show you exactly how this works. This is how I've set up ReConvert. I'm going to show you post-purchase first over here. You have your condition on this side. This is going to be basically what's going to trigger this. We have over here, customer, country, in one of these countries, United States. So I'm going to show this post-purchase first offer to anyone in the United States. Now when we come over here, in terms of our widget over here, this is going to control what product is shown. And I've set this to be my most popular product over here. So we could have this widget here controlled. In this case, I've controlled it to go exactly to one product. I've set my most popular product. Okay, a lot of different options in terms of how you can show things. Now I went over here for post-purchase number 2. I set a different condition here this time. I set a downsell condition. So you see over here, basically if the previous offer was declined on that first post-purchase page, then we're going to show this. So this is basically a downsell. So what I did here, I offered a t-shirt the first time. If they didn't accept it, now I've come over here, I've set this product to be my toy car, my model car here instead of the car shirts. So we have this as a second upsell over here. Now, in fact, that's a downsell. Now we're going to come over here into our thank you page. I've set this so I can show you this example. So we're going to have this, if you purchase this product, it's called test product. I'm just doing it for an example here. You see the condition. If you purchase this product in your cart, then we're going to show them this upsell. And in this case, in this product upsell, we're going to do Shopify's recommendation to basically they'll pick which product is going to be shown. You have a bunch of options in terms of doing all of this and setting which products are going to be shown. I'm just kind of showcasing this as a different option here. Shopify will show what they believe to be the best match for the customer over here. Definitely worth testing out, right? You see over here, I set products in these ones over here in the thank you page. I'm doing the product recommendation. You can set the same thing over here for order status. In this one, my condition is that their language is English, and I'm showcasing another product over here, in this case, our dog car seat cover. So very, very easy to set up. So let me show you this in action. We've got our test product that I set up over here for our thank you page upsell offer. I'll go ahead and add this into my cart, and I'll check out just like any other customer. Okay, I'm just doing a test product over here, and I complete the order. What you're going to see here is our thank you page, but what you're going to notice popping up is our offer. And in fact, they're actually showing one of my most popular shirts, All Roads Lead to Downey, and you see even have the variant selector in here as well. So really, really easy, and the best part about this, right, we come over here, and buy now, one-click upselling. Super easy to use. You'll be able to see all of your stats like revenue generated by the app, accepted orders, and even your page analytics and latest activity right over here. You'll have all your settings over here as well. You can, of course, disable, enable over here. You'll see that everything is working. You change your language. Got the referral program as well, so you could refer and get a commission on here. You got your full activity report as well. We've got our social automation as well with Minta, so we can go over here, take a look at the Minta app. This is another great app done by the same guys as ReConvert. With Minta, literally, they'll create amazing social content for you automatically, literally with AI, grabbing products from my store automatically. You see this one over here, and then they schedule it automatically to post right inside of, in this case, TikTok over here. So really powerful, as you see, all set up, all customizable, connects directly to my account. Grabbing all this automatically, all done by AI. Really, really powerful. There's also tons of amazing things you could do here on the Create page. You see all these different templates over here, pre-done, ready to go. See, all of these are going to work great for social media, of course. Take a look at some of them here. All right, that's actually one of our better products. And you see we could even go through and do specific products over here. Click onto a product like our holiday product, automatically see content get created right over here, right? Lots of different ways to do this, all with whatever product we want. Bestsellers, holiday themed, new products, super easy to do. Create page, one of the most important parts of Minta. So that was ReConvert. Again, highly recommended. The best checkout upsell app out there. Enable it, follow along step by step, just like I showed you. And this is going to help you make some more money, increase your average order value. And I really hope this helps you build a big brand.